Hey everyone, welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. My name is Megan and today we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi Weeks dupe planner for the week of March 23rd through the 27th using this beach themed kit from SweetRTDesigns. It is time to get ready for my cruise. At the time of me filming, I'm actually already on my cruise, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys my spread that I'm using. I'm actually taking this with me on the cruise so that I can write just a few things down as the cruise goes on, like at nighttime when I am lounging at the pool deck and people watching and enjoying all of the vibes. So I am very excited about this. I used SweetRTDesigns kit last week in my planner and I love using her kits, so we are just going to continue that on and use it in this spread for this week for my beach theme. I am so excited. You guys have absolutely no idea how pumped well, actually you probably do have an idea because I won't stop talking about it, but I am so incredibly pumped for this. I am leaving for this cruise actually on Friday, and I thought this was just the perfect kit to add the beach vibes and cruise vibes to my planner. You guys will be seeing that I am doing a beach theme in all of my planners this week because I can't help myself. Like I said, I'm so excited about it. So I am ready for this. I think it's going to be really exciting. It's a different cruise than I've done before, so that's okay, but it's going to be fun nonetheless. Enough about my cruise though. How have you guys been? How has your March been shaping up? Have you done anything exciting? If it is spring break for you, or if you've already had your spring break, what are you guys doing? Or are you doing anything? What is the plan? What's the plan, Stan? Are you going to do anything fun over the summer? Because I know summer is getting close. It's getting very, very close to summer break. So, are you guys doing anything for the summer? Are you planning on going anywhere? Going on any fun trips? What is your itinerary? I love this cascading beach look. That is beautiful. I need to put this on here. I think I'm just going to stick it right there. Actually, maybe I should wait on this. I am going to wait on this because I do have to do the boxes. And I think I am just going to, I usually don't do this, but I think I'm just going to add the boxes on here, just helter-skelter, because I can write down what's happening and what's been going on every single day. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Do you guys have any plans this weekend? Are you watching anything fun? I know I talked about watching things last week, but I am nosy and you guys know this, and I want to know if you have been watching anything fun. You guys know at the current time of my filming that I am watching Euphoria, which I'm almost done with that, and I'm kind of glad because it's a little risque. And I am starting to watch Supernatural actually, which is super fun. I have never seen Supernatural, so I've had a lot of people recommend it to me. So I decided I would take it on and watch that because I think it would be cool. You know what we are gonna do is I'm gonna switch, because I do need this blue. So we're gonna switch it with this one. Well, I did a terrible job at that. Let me try that again. So let's put this blue here, and then I need this guy here. So this is going to be my to-do list of things that I need to do when I get back, because we are going to have a lot of things to get done. I've got to prep to go to work on Monday of that week. Wow, words are hard. On Monday of that week. So got things that need to get done, things that need to happen, and not a lot of time to do it. So I've got to figure out that situation. I'm going to redo this sticker because I want it to flow, and it's not flowing right now. And it's not going to completely flow. Like, that's going to be a little awkward, but it'll be fine. See, that's much better in my humble opinion. So yeah, like I said, this is things that I need to get done when I get back. So we do need I probably shouldn't have to clean, honestly, but I might need to put like a to-do list. So we're gonna put the planner time here, because I will need to do some planner time. I still will have normal stuff, so like I'll still have my payday. Come on, there we go. I will still have my payday on Thursday. I won't need any of this stuff though, because we're not getting, oh, we are getting groceries though. We are getting groceries, and we are coming back on Friday. And I have to make sure I pay gas money. So we're gonna put the gas tank there. We are driving back down on Friday, and we are also getting groceries on Friday. So there's that. And then we also need to do laundry, because that will be important to do. Unpack and all that stuff. Okay, so let's get the, where did my sticker book go? There it is. Let's get the stuff that's going to go up here. I actually probably should get that first. So I'm going to see if I have a Monday through Sunday box that I can use, because that would be ideal, because then I can put my itinerary of like what we're doing and like the day it's at sea and all that stuff. This one actually might be perfect. We have that one, and we have this one. Probably this one. Okay, and then let's do our to-do list and all that stuff. So let's see. Got laundry. I do need a payday sticker though, so let's put this payday sticker. This is from Sterile and Art. That's what this one is from. Ooh, actually, I love this one. However, if I want to stick with the color scheme that we got going there, we're going to use this one. And this is from Designs by Mel, as is that. I decided I think I'm going to use the coffee sticker for Friday, because I'm going to need it. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of Happy Mail coming in, so I think I'm gonna use this Phoebe, because we're gonna have lots and lots of Happy Mail. I'm gonna put a this week sticker right here for what's happening, and then I think I'm gonna use a to-do label on this side. I'm gonna put, well, I was gonna put it there. I'm gonna cut this. I love these to-do labels, however, I need to cut them to fit this way. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna do another one down here, just because it makes the most sense to have a to-do label here as well. Perfect. I don't think there's anything else that I need to do. I'm thinking that I am going to put one of these sad ones, because I don't want to go home. That's funny. Yeah, I like that. Alright, I don't think there's anything else that I need to do for this week. I think that it looks pretty simple right now, but it's going to be a lot better once I add labels and everything. And then I think right here I'm just going to write a little bit about how I feel about the trip, because I feel like that's a good thing. So I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, come back Friday. Okay, perfect. So now I can write down a little bit about what happened each day. Here I can write down the itinerary that we are doing, so that way I can know what our days at sea are, when our embarkation day is, and all that stuff. So I like this. This is really cute, and I am very happy with how it turned out. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Hobonichi Weeks planner for spring break week, the 23rd through the 27th. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. If you do enjoy my videos, don't forget to consider subscribing. Check out the rest of my videos that I have in this planner. They will be linked at the end of this video and in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!